Hello students, welcome. I'm Vipul Mittal, and in this session I will discuss a multiple choice question on property, plant and equipment. Which of the following is recorded at the fair value? You have four answer options. So you acquire an asset or you construct an asset. This asset is recorded at its historical cost. It is not recorded at fair value. This is the general rule. But yes, when you acquire an asset in a business combination, then you record the asset at its fair value. That's the only situation when you record an asset at its fair value. So the general rule is that you acquire an asset, record it at its historical cost. But if you acquire an asset in a business combination, then record it at its fair value. Now let's look at the answer options. An asset acquired in a business combination. Do you record it at fair value? Answer is yes. You record it at fair value. You use the acquisition method to record the business combination. And under the acquisition method, you record the asset acquired at fair value. An asset acquired along with other assets and liabilities in a transaction that is not a business combination, you do not record this at fair value. An asset that is internally generated, all the costs that you have incurred to internally generate that assets are generally capitalized. So you do not record this asset at its fair value. Answer option D. An asset acquired from an international vendor, that really does not make much of a difference whether you are acquiring an asset from a domestic vendor or an international vendor. That really does not make any difference. You record this asset at its historical cost, not at its fair value. All right, students, I hope this is helpful. We'll connect again. Goodbye. Take care.